Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Britt. And we're two of the staff at CAC this summer.
This summer we made a camp dance for everyone to learn.
So we're going to make a quick little tutorial video so you guys can pick up the steps before you come. Just do your best to follow along, and we can't wait to see you here. The way the dance starts is you're going to take a step to your right, and your right arm's going to come around like this. And then you're going to go the other way, so you're going to step to the left, and your left arm comes around. Then your right shoulder comes up, left shoulder, right shoulder. Alright, so now we're going to do the same thing, but going the opposite side. So we're going to step with our left foot, left arm, right foot, right arm, left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder.
So you're going to bring in your right arm and then your left arm. You're going to look to the right, bring your head back in. You're going to bring your right arm up and then your left arm up. Bring your right foot across and turn and bring your arm back down. Okay, so after that bit, when you turn round, you're going to go down and across to the right and down, across and to the left. Okay, so this next bit, guys, is the chorus, which is repeated a few times in the dance. So what's going to happen is you're going to turn in a circle and you're going to stir the pot. So you're going to go round to the right, round to the right, round to the right, round to the right, and again, round to the right, round to the right, round to the right, round to the right. Then you're going to go cross, uncross, put your hands up. And then you're going to do that again. So you're going to go round to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, again, right, 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 cross, uncross, put your hands up.
Okay, so next we're going to add on the shimmy. So after that we're going to go shimmy forward, shimmy back, shimmy forward, shimmy back. And then we're going to touch our hands twice in front of us. 1, 2, and fist. And then behind. 1, 2. And then in front. 1, 2. And then behind. 1, 2. So in the last count we're going to go down 1, up, roll down, roll up. And then you're going to wave to the right twice, wave to the left twice. Then you're going to jump right, left, right, left. So that's the whole chorus. Good job, guys.
Well done. Okay, so this next bit is we're going to do a grapevine to the right. So we're going to go step behind, step, clap, step behind, step, clap. Now we're going to do a step, turn, step, clap to the right. Step, turn, step, clap, step, turn, step, clap. Okay, so the next bit we're going to face the left and we're going to pump it. So we're going to pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. And then we're going to go point to the right, point to the left. Great.
That's all the steps!
Yes!
High five, you guys!
You're going to repeat all of those sections again. So we're going to go into this bit, into the chorus, and then we're going to do the grapevine bit again. And then at the very end, we do the chorus one more time.
Now let's try it with music all together.
There's a million things you could ask me for, but you could never make me love you more. You could give me everything I never had before, but you could never make me love you more. There's a million things you could ask me for, but you could never make me love you more. You could give me everything I never had before, but you could never make me love you more.
You guys got it now. Can't wait to see you this summer.